Thanks to my good friend Sarah and Ash, they sent me this, and I cannot wait to unbox it. Inside here is a Woodsboro Horror Film Club hoodie. It was sent by Sarah and Ash. I don't know what's going on with Ash. Um, Sarah's having a hard time. I don't know what's going on. I hope that Ash is okay. They're having a really hard time in Woodsboro, too. Killings are starting back up again, like, not doing very well. Alright. Oh, I think I unboxed it the wrong way. It says, "Hey Zachary, your help has been vital in our Save Woodsboro investigation. Please follow Two Brash Sarah on TikTok for all the latest." It also says, "P.S. We already got our tickets for the new movie. Do you? Hope we'll see you in theaters January 14th. I heard it's going to be a scream." I cannot wait. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Woodsboro Horror Film Club. Yeah! On the back, look at this bad boy. Oh, Woodsboro Horror Film Club. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on right now. Oh my gosh, this actually feels really comfy. Oof, my hair's kind of... Okay, this hoodie feels really, really soft. Here's the back. Let's see it. But yeah, this feels really, really nice. Thank you so much, Sarah and Ash. And I love it. Thank you so much.